July 4th, 1776 is commonly celebrated as the birth of American independence. However, the reality for African slaves was quite different. While America's founding fathers preserved the importance of liberty and equality in the nation's founding documents, they failed to mention slavery. It wasn't until June 19, 1865, that freedom finally came to more than 250,000 enslaved Black people in Galveston Bay, Texas.
At Valley, we're committed to fostering an open dialogue through the efforts of our Social Equality Council and beyond to continue growing and enhancing the way we care for our patients and for each other.
The Valley Health System and the Social Equality Council stand firm in our commitment to providing equality for all members of the staff, patients, and community we serve, regardless of race, gender, ethnicity, sexual orientation, or identity. Additionally, the Social Equality Council would like to take this opportunity to speak out about the recent rise in violence against Asian Americans across the country. We find these actions to be reprehensible and unacceptable in the countries whose founding principles are based on all people are created equal. This is a time of unrest and a time that will force us to ask ourselves, is this what we expect the United States to look like in 2021? I believe we can do better and we will do better.
So the flag we are about to raise has significant symbolism. It is red, white, and blue, a reminder that slaves and their descendants were and are American. It contains three major icons: a star, a burst, and an arc. The white star in the center of the flag has a dual meaning. First, it represents Texas, the Lone Star State. It was in Galveston in 1865, where Union soldiers informed the country's last remaining enslaved people that under the Emancipation Proclamation that was issued 2 years earlier, that they were free. But the star also goes beyond Texas, representing the freedom of African Americans in all 50 states. The bursting outline around the star is inspired by a nova, a term that astronomers use to mean a new star. And finally, the arc or curve that extends across the width of the flag represents a new horizon, the opportunities and promise that lay ahead for Black Americans.
By all our collective efforts to promote equality, inclusion, and acceptance, we will inevitably create a country that can live up to the promise of the Declaration of Independence.